a bad one right here. Hey, Kyle, y'all watch. If this vessel sinks, you see we're in the water and get pulled under here.
225, 1098.
Immediately, I recognized this was a bad situation. My heart dropped because with the conditions there, if that line would have snapped, the vessel was going to be pulled under the dredge equipment.
Watch this.
When the vessel began to roll over and everybody was in the water, there was no doubt in my mind that we were going to have drownings.
Come on, come on. He's coming right
here. And when the PWC was coming on scene, the wave runner, I immediately felt a sense of relief, just because with that PWC, they can get into those small little areas, they can maneuver it better.
Come on, guys, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Go, go, go. Get in here.
The wave runner was able to pick up everybody from the barge or people that were there in the water and bring them over to me to safety. And I was able to kind of be that rock for them to come back and forth from. So as you can see, several times I had to maneuver the vessel around, and ultimately it's because the current was so strong and it was pulling me into the dredge equipment as well. Obviously, the rescuer doesn't want to become one of the rescued. The current in the Destin Pass can be extremely swift, and it needs to be respected. I've never seen any vessel that large pressed up against any piping or bridging like that.
Hey! Find out if we're missing anybody! Is everybody here?
The most important thing about that rescue at that time was making sure we had everybody.
Everybody's fine.
252, 911 verification.
Looks like everybody's accounted for right now. We've got.
And once we had verified that we had everybody, I verified with the people in the boat that we had them, just to bring a sense of kind of some resolution to them and a sense of calm.
You good? You okay? Hey, buddy. Buddy, come around over here. Come around over here, buddy. Sit up here. You okay? All right, man. Just sit right there for me. You're fine. I got you.
You know, obviously, life jackets had a major impact here on this date, this rescue. You know, the fact that everybody survived this incident is amazing.
Bring them up here in the calm water. Come on, bud.
Right now, we've got a couple on our vessel.
Thankfully, they were all wearing life jackets, and every single one of those people was able to be rescued.